Current hex cost basically is $0.032, hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which explicitly is very huge. Hex cost examination in every practical sense is negative today, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. First help level for hex really is at $0.030 amazingly. 26 June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What really is somewhat transient cost expectation for hex truly is hex of for the most part wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Hex help and obstruction levels and so on, which is very critical. Yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the hex specialized examination, let us discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, showing how 26 June 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through hex cost investigation for now or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified some things, facts. What for the most part is momentary cost expectation for hex, in a real sense, is hex a very wise venture, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300 in a quite enormous manner. The exceptionally absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $32,396,217,087. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level, after a decay of 0.52%. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in an especially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span. Further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300 in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 1.1, and as of now exchanging at 49 cents. In an all things considered, significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in an extremely descending heading for in every practical sense. Present moment, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, a sort of broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they truly thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become sort of more truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any in every practical sense further in an exceptionally huge way. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers truly move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how current hex cost in a real sense is $0.032, hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, or so they especially thought. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The sort of day-to-day diagram of hex explicitly shows that the hex cost really has an especially descending development, with a 1.19% reduction in every way that really matters. Recent hours, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance. How XRP, the very local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere around 1.1 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume really is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars in a significant manner. HEX value examination HEX cost investigation for 26 June 2023. Insight in essentially everyday time period all things considered, made sense of beneath, which sort of is very huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA 2 in every practical sense, dissect the future development of the HEX in an essentially large manner. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid, showing how HEX cost examination basically is negative today, which for the most part is very critical. HEX financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day outline. So 26 June 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through HEX cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly certainly clarified pressing issues facts. What explicitly is by and large momentary cost expectation for HEX generally is HEX a fundamentally wise venture, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. HEX certainly has an essentially the closest obstruction of $0.036, which sort of is genuinely huge. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would in a real sense help the upswing energy, showing how first help level for HEX most certainly is at $0.030, or so they thought. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039, which truly is genuinely huge. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers for the most part betray the HEX, the sort of bears could handle the market and fundamentally take HEX cost beneath the significant help level of $0.030 in a really significant manner, while HEX's Williams %R marker in every way that really matters is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange genuinely signaled generally is certainly conceivable at this reach, or so they most certainly thought. The sort of relative strength record RSI shows that the HEX coin for the most part is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI truly is at 54, exhibiting how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there by and large was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300, which certainly is genuinely critical. HEX in a real sense is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to explicitly suggest